ART stands for Aggression Replacement Training, and ART was developed through a program that was facilitated by OECS under the Juvenile Justice Reform Project. There are about 11 master trainers and 12 facilitators in the OECS member states. The main components actually of ARTS are, there are three. One, social skills training, anger management control, and moral reasoning. With these three approaches, social skills training provides the youth with what to do. In that, it helps them replace these pro-social skills, but with positive alternatives.
I was 16 years old and in Form 3 when I started the ART program. The ART program has impacted my development tremendously because I am now a better person than I was before the program. Yes, I think the ART program should be continued because the way it has impacted on me, it can impact on many others the same.
I started the art program when I was 14 years old and in third form. Art has made me into a better person by helping me to make better life decisions. I have now set goals and are working to achieve these goals.
Anger management control, it teaches them what not to do. It helps them to respond to a situation, an anger situation, in a non-aggressive manner, and to rethink the approach. And moral reasoning actually is just to help them to look at the information, weigh the consequences, weigh the pros and cons, and then come to a moral decision so that they could make a change in society.
This message is brought to you by the USAID OECS Juvenile Justice Reform Project 2, funded by the United States Agency for International Development. For more information, log on to oecs.org/JJRP.